What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today because we have some movement here and we actually may be moving into a bullish pattern here with Shiba Inu. So yeah, we got to go over this today and definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It'll really help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to hear go out next. And also, definitely check out the PayPal donation link in the description. If you actually want to donate to the channel, go ahead and send a donation through there or Cash App, either one, or just go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. So also, if you want the trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description, 25% off with the discount code Marsellis. So look at what we have here inside of Shiba Inu. As you can see here, we are inside of this green area, which is our supply and demand area. So the green area is indicating that we're actually about to go up into an uptrend here. And then this red bar here is pretty much indicating that this is the demand. There's not enough demand at the red bar, and there's a lot of demand in the green bar pretty much. And over here, you can see the bulls are in control by 80% in the last 24 hours of market control. So the bulls have 80% of market control in the last 24 hours. That's pretty big right here. And right here, it definitely shows that there's less volume, previously. So they're showing that there's a little bit of bearish movement here with Shiba Inu on the oscillator here, but that's only temporary because as you can see here, there's high activity expected. This is high institutional interest. If you go over here and look at the dark pools plus institutional interest, it shows that we actually have high institutional interest right here. So you actually might see a breakout happening somewhere around here with Shiba Inu. And anyways, looking back here, Shiba Inu had a huge downtrend. I wouldn't really say huge, but we're at 3150, and we actually went on a downtrend here. The second we got down here, we had a chance of reversal, but it didn't really reverse that much. So we actually may end up doing the reversal now. So there's some huge stuff going on here with Shiba Inu. I want to show you some technical analysis from other people's points of view. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this financial advice. So over here, Shiba Inu reflects strength from a fresh uptrend. So this is a fresh uptrend, by the way. So anyways, some people have been saying $1 Shiba Inu. I'm not even worried about $1 Shiba Inu right now because we're pretty far from that. What you really want to look at is 0.0001 Shiba Inu. You don't want to look at $1. 0.0001 sheep and then 00 sheep and then 1 cent sheep by sometime. I want to say sometime late next year or possibly sometime 2023 for 1 cent sheep. But anyways, let's go on. So Shiba Inu price analysis. Shiba Inu has shown a tremendous strength in buying action, only slowing down a little bit today because of some minor profit booking. So yeah, people have been making their little profits here in Shiba Inu, cashing in. Comparing today's movement to yesterday, Shiba Inu marked an 18% intraday gain on a closing basis. So here is the little breakout they're showing here with Shiba Inu. As you can see here, this breakout just started going crazy. And anyways, that was like a consolidation period, and it just started going crazy afterwards. So even with this consolidation period, we were consolidating right here, and then that's when we actually broke out of this consolidation, and now we're on a little bit of an uptrend here. So we were on a little bit of a downtrend, but now it's going up. So I definitely believe we're gonna have some huge buy-ins here in Shiba Inu, and a lot of people were calling it a pump and dump, but now we're those same people. They're no longer in Shiba Inu talking about it being a pump and dump, because it is definitely not a pump and dump. But anyways, let's keep going over this. So Shiba Inu broke out of its smaller trading range on October 4th, leading to a 57% intraday gain, which wasn't seen in significant cryptocurrencies for a long time. So yeah, Shib was breaking records there. Shiba Inu continued to move to new highs, eventually to 35.35. Huge highs over here, and now the RSI has jumped to overbought zones. So what they're talking about with the overbought zones, you can see over here the OB in the oscillator is talking about overbought. So this area right here, it was way overbought. So you can definitely see in the oscillator here, it was overbought, and since it was overbought, it instantly moved into a downtrend, into a bearish market, which is showing the downtrends up here. You can actually see that, and let me move this auto up so you can see. So all right over here, you see that downtrend started happening because we were overbought. And then after that, we had a chance of reversal because it was almost a little bit oversold, but it was just kind of correcting itself. And the second it hit this green area, this is why I keep mentioning the green area. This green area here is where the supply and demand is. It's showing us that we have a lot of demand whenever we hit the green area. The second anything hits the green area, it hits a chance of reversal, going eventually on a strong uptrend. So as you can see here, after this downtrend, we hit this green area here, which is about to be the same thing back here, a chance of reversal leading into a strong uptrend. So you actually might see a strong uptrend downtrend ending up coming right around here. You actually might see us, break out to our next moments here in Shib. So our previous highs were 35.50. So we actually might break out somewhere around there, possibly just, barely touching that, maybe the 31.50 area, 33.50, somewhere around there. But we are definitely about to break out here again in Shiba Inu. So this is actually pretty good news there. Now, over here is saying bear right here is showing the bears, because people are starting to take profits like they already mentioned in here. But even though people are taking profits, we're still having high demand for Shiba Inu. The bulls are still in control by 80%. So that's definitely good. So anyways, the Shib price prediction. So based on our Shib price prediction, while there has been a visible dip in buying sentiment, it shouldn't be considered a reversal signal. So they're saying even though there's a good price prediction, they're saying that it's not a reversal signal, but we'll see inside the future and see exactly what happens with that in the near future. So looking at it from another person's point of view, other people are looking at it from a different point of view from the 4-hour chart. So over here, Shiba Inu coin price action indicates a double top price pattern breakout in the 1-hour chart. Moreover, the price fall is coupled with an increased trading volume, thus a short-term downtrend is plausible down to 23.31. So these other people are saying that it could be plausible that we actually go on a short, term downtrend down to 2031. Now they did say short term. It's not going to be a long-term downtrend. They're saying short term. So quite possibly, but I don't really see it going all the way down to 23.21 already. But if you do look over here, the supply and demand is telling us around 24. We're going to have some huge demand for Shiba Inu if we do dip. That's why they said a short-term downtrend, because there's huge supply or huge demand over here. So if Sheep goes all the way down to 24.50, 24, then there's going to be a lot of demand in there. There's going to be lots of demand if it goes down to 20 cents, not 20 cents, but you know what I'm talking about, 0.00020, and then the 24 area, lots of demand there, just like you're seeing here. Lots of demand up here too, because you can see this green area. Now, if we go into another red area like this is going to show that there's not as much demand. That's why the second we got into this red area, you started to see a little bit of a downtrend. The second we got into the green area, you started to see an uptrend here. So if we can knock out this red area right here, then we're going to actually be able to break out and, go crazy here with Shiba Inu. And there's high activity expected for institutional interest. So there's definitely some big stuff going on here in Shib. Over here, you can see the RSI indicator forecast a surge for underlying bullishness as the slope spikes higher in the daily chart. So it's definitely showing some bullish signals, even though there might be short-term downtrends like here and there. We're still bullish here at Shiba Inu. Like the bulls are still in control by 80%. So big stuff there. And then this other technical analysis by Yahoo Finance, shout out to them. They're pretty much showing the same thing. Shiba Inu would need to avoid the 295 pivot to bring the first major resistance at 332. 295 pivot right now, we're at 2944. So right now they're saying that we have to get past this red area right here, this red supply and demand area, because that is our pivot and we need to get past it, because if we don't, then we'll end up going on that downtrend that they were talking about, the 2335. So 332 is the next place in order. So support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Shiba Inu to break out from Monday's highs of 32. So in order for Shib to break 0.00032, they're saying the whole broader crypto market would have to go off. So over here, you can see we're doing pretty good in the last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days. But they're saying the whole broader crypto market, in order for us to keep doing good, will have to continue to rise. Now, Bitcoin is at now $56,000. It's kind of been stagnant in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin going crazy with 10% in the last 24 hours. But yeah, everything's been doing pretty good. Bitcoin at 56K, almost at 60K, almost at our all-time highs like before previously. So this is actually pretty good for Bitcoin. So you can actually see here where we were with our all-time highs on Bitcoin. We were around 64K right here, 64K, 64.8K. So right now we're at 56K. So that's actually pretty good right there. So over here, you can see the support level of 27 being the first major support if we break our support, and then eventually down, or if you hit the first major resistance, 332, and then if not, 2831, and then like the previous technical analysis said, 2387. So that's pretty much what we got here. We got, both sides. I had to come out with both sides. I had to let you all know, it could be bullish, it could be bearish. It depends what the whole broader crypto market is doing. Right now, there's no like crazy Shib buying, like everyone's not FOMOing in the Shib anymore like they did previously. Everyone had a fear of missing out, so they're throwing all their money in the Shib. And now, right now, it's kind of leveled out. It's kind of, really leveled out right now, which is exactly why you see everything changing. So over here, you can see the volume was so much here in the oscillator. So much volume was being, purchased here in the oscillator and sold. And now you're seeing less selling and also less buying. in result of that, the price has been a little bit stagnant, but it's been moving up though. So I definitely have some faith here in Sheep, because with low volume, whenever you see something with low volume and it's still on a bit of an uptrend, that's definitely a good sign here for Sheep. But anyways, we have 717,685 people in Sheep, up 0.65% from yesterday. So yesterday we had 712,854, and now today 717,685. And then when we hit the refresh button, 717,962. So almost 400 people just now invested in Sheep within like the last 10 minutes. And we also have some news coming out with shopping.io. So this is pretty big. Shopping.io is giving a 5% discount for 7 days on their website. So definitely check that out. Use the discount code Shib, and yeah, you can get that 5% discount with Sheep. Not much, but 5% is still a little bit. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to come here with this because I actually just now started a new full-time job, so I haven't had enough time to make a bunch of videos. That's why I only started making videos late at night here, because I've been working since 7 a.m. to like late. But anyways, now that I'm back, I'm going to be making this video, and I'm making a baby Dogecoin video right after this, and that's going to be the last for the night because I'm getting really tired here. But yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, or YouTube channel out for the YouTube algorithm. Messing up all my words today because I'm tired. But yeah, hit the like and subscribe button, leave a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you all want to hear about next. And also check out the link in the description if you want to donate through the PayPal link or the Cash App link. Definitely hit that. And I'm going to be making a Patreon soon. I know people have been asking me for that, so shout out to everyone who's been sending the Cash Apps and donations to PayPal. I really appreciate it, but I'm definitely going to make this Patreon soon. I just got to wait till my off days so I can actually go on it and actually put the content on there, because I don't want to make it and then put no content on there. But yeah, definitely do that. And if you want these automated trade signals, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. You can get 25% off with the discount code of Marsellis. So yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.